How to get courses in Skool offline. In this video, I'll show you how to get courses in Skool offline.
So to get started, first, School is a platform that offers online courses, but if you need to access content offline, there are a few workarounds. First, use School's download feature for videos, if available. Some course creators allow content to be downloaded directly to your device for offline use. If this feature isn't available, consider using a third-party app or screen recording software to capture the video content. First, once you have arrived to the school dashboard, all you have to do is to click on any content that you like. And then from here, check if this content has a download button. Be sure to check the terms of use to make sure you're following any content usage guidelines. I would suggest to capture the video content using a screen recording software like OBS. For text-based content, School allows you to copy and paste so you can save it to a document for later reading. By using these methods, you can still access School's educational material even when you don't have internet access. And that's how you can get courses on School offline.